Hello sir, welcome to Next Generation Web Design and Development Consulting Private Limited. Are you a businessman or thinking to start a setup on digital marketing? Then it's the right time to launch your business on digital market. We're everyone running to grow their business through digital marketing. It's very important nowadays to have a digital platform. That's why we are here to help you getting digital platform. The NGWebD will provide you the best of best digital platform to grow your business to the high. We develop and design website as your choice and demand. We take less time and fast provide policy. The NGWebD will always support you to set up your business and provide you the best service policy. We provide website Android app digital platform Google's marketing. It's a very easy way to connect your customer through digital platform all over the world. Then what are you thinking? Contact us at www.ngwebd.com. Our email address contact@ngwebd.com. Follow us on social media like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, search on @ngwebd. Our official contact number, +9 19547754340. I hope you like our web family and we wish to provide you the best service. Thank you.